Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to From the Gallery up here in Wisconsin. Is that how you do it?
I really like how you pronounce the A that's not there.
Yeah, man.
All right, folks, so we are back with a From the Gallery, and obviously we're not in the studio, and we got somebody special with us, Mr. Zachary.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Yeah, that's right. We're out here in a cornfield, hanging out, having a good time. Hopefully I can scumbag some people into doing burnouts, but I don't think that's allowed, so don't do it. But if you're gonna, do it out back, you know what I mean?
Do it out front.
Yeah.
We want to be able to see them.
Well, true, but you know. All right, so what do we got going on here?
All right, so you are unfamiliar with From the Gallery, correct?
I am.
So our gallery is kind of the star of the website. So what we do, these guys go in, they pick a few, we talk about them, we rate them on our personal build style.
Okay.
So I don't think there's gonna be any video clips of guys doing burnouts.
Well, it's all right.
And they're notoriously not any engine pictures. So I apologize off the cuff.
People, come on now, all right? Show them the sauce. You gotta show them the goods. You put hard-earned money into that thing, you gotta let them know.
Exactly.
But all right, so
I love it.
What do we got here? How do we start this thing?
Okay, so right off the cuff here, we've got RK Off-Road Performance 2021 F-150. Looks like it's the Tremor package on a 6-inch BDS, 37-inch Nittos, and 20x10 TISs.
All right, bring that up.
Get some bigger pictures going here.
Now, I respect the 37s, you know, I feel like that's kind of minimum for one of these trucks, man. The new Fords, they need to, like, they look real good with a 40. So if you got like an F450 or an F350 or 250 or a 1, if you can fit a 40 under it, hell yeah, but 37, it's clean. Also, you know what? I'm not mad at the orange detail on it. I feel like they did a good job with not being like way too much.
Yeah.
And it pops with that flat, muted gray color.
Absolutely, yeah. It's always hard to make, I mean, that's the factory Tremor color, right? So not a lot of people lean into that macaroni and cheese. But it looks good here, it really does.
Man, I really would like to see an engine pick, but you know, that's all right.
I mean, we got a roller, kind of. You could pretend he's doing a burnout.
I mean, you know what? I'm just going to envision lots of tire smoke that's out of frame. So, you know what? The fronts are rolling. The backs, I want to see them rolling about 100 more miles an hour worth of wheel speed. It's not a bad-looking truck. I like the front bumper, right? Like, cleans it up a lot. Looks good with the grill. I like the integrated light package. I do like the old-school approach to the... I don't know what the hell you like, the light array up top.
Up on, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a big, like, light bars up top, sure. If you're running a trophy truck through the desert, yeah, I get it. But, like, there's just something timelessly cool about having a bunch of friggin' bulbs up top.
7-inch rounds, yeah, absolutely. I mean, he's got, good Lord, 7, 8 of them up there?
Anything else on there?
Let's see here. We got the Stealth Fighter front and rear bumpers with rigid fog lights. 40-inch rigid light bar, 20 rock lights, S&B intake. I don't know what a JB4 kit is. KC roof rack, color match bumpers, grille, rear axle, and taillights, powder coat painted accents, and suspension. I love it.
Let's go, baby. I mean, look, stance looks right. You know what? The fitment looks real good. You know, it's a little bit outside of the fender, but like it doesn't look like dumb outside the fender.
Crazy, yeah.
He didn't go stupid, dumb. Can I say that on the show?
You can say anything on this show.
Cool, you can bleep it out if you can.
That's what we got editors for.
Hell yeah. Look, I don't mind it, man. I don't mind it at all. I think it's a good-looking truck, good-looking street truck. I'd like to see it, you know, could you jump it? Maybe that's a picture you should involve. Get that some about 7 feet off the ground. Let's see what she do. I want to see what it's like when you land, too.
All right. So give me a rating out of 10. What do you think?
All right. So this isn't typically my style, right? I like shitty old trucks on boggers and stuff like that.
All right,
but
fair enough. This
looks like you could drive it every day, and you know what? Doesn't look bad. I'm gonna give it a 7.5 out of 10.
All right, I'm right there with you. Same. It's a good driving truck. I like that they stuck to one color palette. Clean build. You could actually drive that thing every day.
All right. Well, cool.
Let's
First one knocked out. Let's go, baby.
Into the next one. All right, we've got 2019 Silverado 1500, 6-inch Superlift, 35-inch Nitto trail grapplers, and 22x10 American Forces. I think this was Superlift's truck. Nope. Yep. I don't know, because it's registered to Kodiak Custom Offsets. So it's wrapped matte. We've got custom Superlift emblems, NFAB steps, 20% tint, cat skin seats, Husky liners, blacked out end ends, plain taillights, bodyguard bumpers, truck hero hitch, Borla exhaust. So this is the 6-inch Superlift with the king coilover. So this is their prototype truck that the kit actually never got built.
Bring that up, let me see it. So we do have Kings on it.
Yep.
Okay. Now, me personally, I feel like this much wheel gap, you need more rubber. You right? Like, I like a little bit of smaller wheel, a lot of sidewall.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
I feel like also too, it's a big truck. It needs at least 37s on it. You know what I mean?
Oh, I agree. This, you could easily put 37s under this kit.
Now, can you? I mean, like, there's the one problem with the new Chevys is they don't have a whole lot of fender well width, right?
That is accurate.
Which I don't mind. I mean, look, they'll self-clearance, all right? If you're willing, they'll do it.
They will. Actually, they're aluminum, so they move real nice out of the way.
Oh, there you go. See?
So there's actually 2 of these kits in existence.
Okay.
There's Superlift's kit, and then I had one as myself.
Okay.
On 37s, so I know it'll fit 37s.
There you go. Look, I'm gonna throw this out. Look, I respect the fact that it's got good shocks on it, and you know the lift seems cool. I just feel that it needs a little more tire on it, you know, for the look.
How's that for you?
I mean, that's cool, but
it's a little bit more used.
It's a little used. Look, at least they're putting, you know, it's, you know, putting it to use. But like I said, I want to see some more meat on that thing. So I'm gonna have to go for like a 4 out of 10 on this one.
A 4. Ooh.
Yep.
See, I'm at least at a 5 on this.
Okay. I mean, look, it's a good truck.
It's a good looking truck. There's definitely a lot more they could have done to it.
Yeah. I also like, I'm not a big fan of the black on yellow accent.
Yeah, it's an odd choice for color. I get it Superlift. Their color kind of is yellow, but
what do we got next? Now, see, actually, this looks clean. You know, the polish on this whatever red color that is looks good. Like,
I'm assuming that's the factory. Oh yeah, there is no details here. Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, you pay attention, don't you, when you're filling these forms out, huh? We get that all the time at Burnout Wars. People just like send a couple pics and then they don't fill out anything. And I'm like, hey man, you want to do this or not?
2019 Sierra 2500, a 6.5-inch Pro Comp, but in the details it says he's also got a 2.5-inch leveling kit on top of that. So we got stacked kits in the front. 38 15.5 Furies on 26x14 Amani forged. So this is a team billet truck.
See, it actually doesn't look that bad. There's something about the layout of this that I don't mind as much as, like, for some reason on that Ford, it didn't really work too well for me. Maybe it's just because you didn't go big enough. But like that doesn't look that bad. I'm actually not that mad at it.
I do like that they brought the color into the suspension. I absolutely hate pocket fender flares.
Wait, you call those pocket fender? What is it, pocket flare fenders?
You got the bolts.
Oh yeah, the old bushwhackers.
Exactly.
You got colored bushwhackers. That's what you got. Don't sugarcoat it. Don't you sugarcoat it.
So is this another needs some 44-inch boggers for you?
Everything needs 44-inch boggers, man. TSLs all day, every day, or get yourself some BFG projects, or some, you know. But no, look, it doesn't look that bad. I'd actually give that thing like a 6.5 out of 10. You know, like it works. It does work. It's, you know, it ain't for me, but I like that candy red. It works good on chrome.
Yeah, I'm about the same. 6.5 for me. I like the color match, everything, but I mean, there's no details. I don't know anything about this truck, so I'm taking points away right there.
All right.
Is that a stock spare tire?
That is
100% a stock spare.
Come on, man, just ditch the spare if you're gonna have it. Ain't no reason for it to be there.
What if they take that out, then they put train horns? So what's your thought there?
I fucking hate train horns, man. There's no need for all that. I mean, there is a need for it at times, man. Somebody just lollygagging on their phone, sure, hit them with a train horn. But you know it's a lot cooler? You got about 900 to 1,500 horsepower. You just blast off a rev, let them know you mean business. And you're going to be up that Anyway.
So yet again, we're asking for engine specs. I'm from the gallery. Let's find...
Pull up one. What do we got? I love this. I don't mean to be, you know, on cars here. I just, hey, listen. What do we got on hogs? Oh, yeah. Let's pull that thing up.
This one right here.
There we go. Yeah, see? Oh, that's
right.
perfect. Now this one's perfect, right?
There you go. John O'Quinn's 99 Silverado 1500.
Let's go.
Some sort of custom lift over 12 inches.
Oh, yeah. Clearly, he's blown up that 4L60 enough times that he decided to go for a turbo 350, which you might as well have just gone a turbo 400 at that point.
With a manual 208.
Yeah, you got some 513s on that thing. Wait, scroll up. Let me see some pictures of that. Blow that up. Yeah, see, look, the stance is right. I'm not a big fan of those wheels, but, you know, it It looks like he came here to party.
Old school wheel. That is a 20 by 10 XD778. That is a very, very old wheel. Clearly a truck that gets used.
Oh yeah, you got the stars and bars on the front. Look, I'm gonna have to give this guy a 69 out of 10.
That is the single highest rating we have ever had right there.
We got the
He
custom
should be proud.
1500 here. No.
Oh, we got the Snapchat screenshot on there.
Oh yeah. Hey John, good on you. Now you know what? Honestly, like I'm gonna give this one like a 7 out of 10. But you know those wheels, man, we gotta change those. Hey, get you something right. All right, what else we got? Pull something else up.
Oh
Let's see.
boy, let's see.
Oh man, look at that. Hold on. Pull up that Durango. Can we talk about this Durango?
I think we've done this one before.
Woo, buddy. I mean, look, that fitment's horrendous, right? But man, look at that. Now, see, that's appropriate use for train horns, right? Look, that is, you know what? You pull up on that. You pull up in that, right? People know you don't have insurance, and you don't even care. Bored out, 5.9, maxed out tranny, and the whole 9 yards. Okay, look. This one, this guy means business. Got that bored out 5.9. That thing is never, you know what? Never, the heads have never been off it. All right, he pulled that straight out of a junkyard. It's got about 400,000 miles on it. It's got about 3 cam lobes ground down because the lifters are stuck on that thing. It's still pumping. Still pumping.
2500 chassis or 3500?
Hella stance.
Oh yeah.
Over 5 inches.
Hella stance.
Got a couple of Corvettes coming in here. All right.
All right, well, the show's getting started. We should probably wrap this thing up so you can
Hell
look
no,
at some
we got
real
one
vehicles.
more, brother.
You want to do one more? One more it is.
Give me one more. Woo! Hell yeah. All right, here we go. This one right here. Here we go. We're going live here, baby. All right. Now this cat eye here, this is appropriate stance. We got full monster truck spec on this sumbitch.
Oh, now that
We got
is
relatively appropriate chop happening behind us. I appreciate this.
relatively appropriate.
Relatively appropriate. He could have a little more cam in that thing, but that's okay. It's not for everybody. Pretty quiet, but we got
There's no way this truck's not in Florida.
that
Oh yeah, Garrett 1320 video.
Oh, there you go.
Look at that.
Oh, I'll be damned. Yeah, I'd say this thing meant to party.
I think it probably has partied a little bit too much.
I feel like wheels have broken off of the spindles on this thing, for sure. We got a 6.6 Dirty Max. Oh yeah.
Custom rusty side pipes right up your alley.
Yeah, this thing, gets down. Now look, I don't feel like this thing needs a Duramax. I'm gonna give this a 8.5 out of 10, only because it doesn't have a big block in it that's breathing methanol and having that methanol forced into it with a 1071, but that's okay. It'd sound a hell of a lot cooler if it did.
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.
But yeah, I'll give it an 8.5. Wait, was this one of Garrett's old trucks that he sold to the On the Gas boys?
Yeah, actually, I think it is.
I've actually seen this truck do some dumb stuff in many forms. I'll be damned. What do you know?
Look at that.
That stance is right, though. That stance is right. See, people take notes. You want to street drive something.
Everybody should be driving one of these.
If it don't got a drop case, you ain't doing it right. That's right. This has been From the Gallery. We hope you enjoyed this show. We got things to do, though.
Yes.
Show is starting now. Come on down. Up here in Wisconsin.
You want to close us out? Say something cool.
Live from Custom Offsets HQ here up in Wisconsin in a goddamn cornfield. We hope you guys enjoyed the show. Comment below what you want to see next. Comment below if you want your truck in here. Actually, you know what? Fill out one of these forms, submit it, and actually fill a sumbitch out. Because you know what? Information is good. Social media pics. Do some burnouts. Be a nuisance. We'll see you on the next one.
Absolutely.